In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add funds to Steam with Paysafecard. If you use Steam for games, add-ons, or in-game items and prefer paying with cash-based vouchers, Paysafecard is a straightforward option. All you need is your Steam account and a valid Paysafecard with enough balance. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer or head to the official Steam website in your browser and log in securely. Make sure you are on the real Steam domain and avoid clicking through from suspicious emails or pop-ups. Once you are signed in, you'll be working inside your account wallet, which is where Steam stores funds you can spend across the store. Go to your wallet by clicking your profile name in the top right corner. Then choose Account Details. On that page, look for the option that says Plus Add Funds to your Steam wallet. This takes you to Steam's wallet top-up screen. Next, choose the amount you want to add. Steam usually shows a few preset amounts in your local currency. Pick a value that fits what you plan to buy, and remember that wallet funds are generally non-refundable. So it's best to add only what you need. If you are browsing during a sale, consider any regional pricing or taxes that might affect the final cost. On the checkout page, select Paysafecard as your payment method. You'll see it listed among the available options. After you select it, Steam will redirect you to the official Paysafecard.com page to complete the payment. This is normal and secure, but take a moment to confirm the web address includes the correct domain and a secure connection. Here, you'll either enter your 16-digit Paysafecard PIN or log into your My Paysafecard account to authorize the payment. Depending on your region and card type, type the code carefully and don't share it with anyone. If you use My Paysafecard, you'll simply confirm the amount and approve the transaction from your account balance. Some regions require using My Paysafecard for regulatory reasons, so follow the prompts you see on screen. Once you confirm the payment on Paysafecard's site, you'll be redirected back to Steam and your wallet should update with the new funds. Look for the confirmation message, then check your wallet balance on the account details or wallet page. If the funds don't appear right away, wait a moment and refresh. For any issues like invalid codes or insufficient balance, review the digits you entered and check your Paysafecard balance before contacting support. That's it. Thanks for watching.